What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's fall season. It's iPhone season, not fall season. iPhone season trumps fall season. You should know that. So this is a quick video, an unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Could we have any longer name for a phone? Good God. This is the black edition. So let's go ahead and get on with the quick unboxing and quick overview of this iPhone. So here we go. Apple has made it very minimalistic on its environmental impact. So all we do is peel. Look at that. It looks just like the previous version. Oh my gosh. No, there are some differences. But there you go. There's the beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at that. Beauty. Now this here almost looks like a concealed weapon with these camera lenses protruding out. But that's really one of the big differences, is the camera lenses. I mean, otherwise, you know, it looks like if I was to hold this up this way, you probably wouldn't be able to tell anything. This way, if you're lucky, you could guess because of the way the camera looks. But other than that, what do you get in the box? You get your, still a lightning cable, folks. We haven't moved to USB-C yet. And get your instruction manual, and they're still giving you a sticker. Isn't that nice? You get a sticker. Again, Pro Max. Is it pretty? Yes. I actually am due for an iPhone upgrade. I skipped the 13, so in that case, I really didn't think that there was enough from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to go to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So what did I do? I waited until the iPhone 14 Pro Max came out, which gives me just enough reason to purchase this and upgrade the phone. Now, if I'm running a 13, I probably wouldn't buy the 14. I'm sorry. There's just not enough differences groundbreaking wise for me to want to upgrade from a 13 Pro Max to a 14 Pro Max. But skipping that odd year, as I typically try to do, unless there's some groundbreaking thing, I skipped the odds, and I skipped 13 and went straight to 14. And I think I'll be happy with the speed, the camera, all the different features that I'm going to get that I don't have on my 12 Pro Max. So I think for me, it's a no-brainer to do this upgrade, even though there's still not a lot of difference between mine, 2-year generation older, than this. Anyway, guys, we're going to have a ton of accessory videos, a ton of case videos. They're all going to be rolling out here pretty soon. So, as always, hope you like this video. Subscribe. Hit the little notification bell on YouTube to be notified when these videos all post. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a good one.